Hi, this is Classic Techart. Welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, triangle 3D design. This is very simple design. Just pay attention to my video. You can learn something from here. And I'm gonna talk that. So let's begin today. So first of all, what we need to do, put a base here and keep to the counter side. You can see it's small, clear. So what we need to do, first of all, we need to go to the dashboard and adjust press over here. You see some other tools over, but I needed the ellipse tool. Press E and drag by pressing Shift key, shoulder key to get there. See, it's doing. So what we need to do, I just go to the over here and press over here. Go to the direct selection. Just click that and a little bit upper side. I'm doing and adjust to like that and that middle side. See, it's happened. So I need to just again select this one and copy that. I think it's okay. And a little bit angle like that. A little bit more better. Beautiful. So I need to just do again copy by pressing a little bit. Now just press Control and D. See, it's already done. So what we need to do, I go to the Ability tool and cut all unnecessary things over here. That is key cut things here, everything. I clear first of all, clear. Okay. So what we need to do, I need to just change color. Now like that, 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 and other things here like that. Okay, so it's done. See, it's happened. That good. See, yes, it's exactly like that. No difference between the 3D design. So same. I needed to delete all things. But this one, I'm keeping this one. So that's all. Thanks for watching.